When you hear the phrase, the second coming of the Lord, what comes to your mind? Most people think of Jesus descending from heaven in glory to destroy the Antichrist and the armies of evil. Here is the scripture. Revelation 19:11-21 describes this moment clearly. And I saw heaven opened, and behold, a white horse, and he that sat upon him was called Faithful and True, and in righteousness he doth judge and make war. Verse 20-21. And the beast was taken, and with him the false prophet that wrought miracles before him. These both were cast alive into a lake of fire burning with brimstone. And the remnant were slain with the sword of him that sat upon the horse, which sword proceeded out of his mouth, and all the fowls were filled with their flesh. Yes, this is the second coming, but it's not the full story. Because the second coming of Christ unfolds in 4 distinct aspects. What you've just read is only one of them. Comment "reveal more," and I'll unveil the first aspect of the Lord's second coming, the one most believers overlook.